So we got something special on this one, guys. A 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack 392. And a beautiful pearl white. Got factory converters there and there. Then it's got a factory X pipe right there. Then we did some JFP 3-inch Jones exhaust flow pack M mufflers, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. We'll have a link in the description if we find them. Right there. We eliminated the mid mufflers or mid resonators right there and right there and replaced them with these. The JFP 3-inch by Jones, D6 or D5. No, that's 5 or 6-inch. I don't know. Can't really read it. But there they are. That's what they look like. They fit right in, no problems. All we had to do was cut them and install the new ones and weld them up. So it wasn't that hard of a job to do. Then it continues 3-inch pipe into rear resonators or mufflers, depending on whatever you guys want to call them. Right there. There's the old ones on the middle. And it's got the valves in it, of course, that open up when you hit sport mode or track. Into his factory tips. There and there. So it looks like we didn't do anything, but we did. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And again, hit the like and subscribe button, please. What do you think? Woohoo! When he brings it out here, put it in sport mode and re-rev it again, so we can hear it with our flaps open. Again. Go ahead. Sound decibels. 107. That's not bad with the flaps closed. Or open halfway, kind of. Nice. Scat pack with Jones bullets. It's got a nice idle to it too. I like it. I wonder how, like cold start, how it would sound like, you know? That's a clean sound. I like it. It's different. It's a lot different than the other ones I've heard. No, it's smooth. Let you guys hear on the inside. Open up the flaps for us, guys. The customer is. He's gonna let us hear it with the flaps open. He's gonna put it in sport mode. Oh wow. It changed it. Woo, baby. That's a sexy car right there. That's a sexy sound. Challenger 2020 with Jones bullets. Hope you guys like it as much as we did. It sounds really smooth. Not too loud, not too quiet. No rasp, really. I love it. Hopefully it goes beast mode. Let's see.